Se avano le fo nei o te whatalofa atua i tātou tāpua ika. Sofa man malo, tātou ri whaolo Iesu Keriso. Ono le mātango fio lo nā alofa. Ia leua ala whai mai tātou le nei tāia phone manuia. Whawhawina lo tō mālosi pe yo aeto. Ia o tātou le vai o tātou mālosi. Ma tātou tutu lai. Ia mauru whale mai. Tātou te si whātasi le viiga man whāwhatai i le tua. Lo nā alofa ma lo nā ngā lelei nā vai aso wānu atu. Ia aetu i dātu fo i o tātou wha moe ngā lelei. I le nei fo i vai aso fo. Tāru si ai o tātou ainga. Tātou whanau. Ia e maise le tātou e kalesia. Ia tātou fuafuanga pa wha moe. Ma lo soi fua maua, soi fua lau lei. Ia le tua. Lo nā alofa ma lo nā ngā lelei. Tā alofa Tamaiti. O whaisi vai o whata alofa tātou. Si lunga lo rima pena e mata tā longa le toa ne taia. Si lunga lo rima. O i le tiola vai tātou. Ia, na malo la o tātou. Na malo. O ia, patpati la, patpati tātou. Ia, ia, whaftai. O le meta ua. Na mata tātou le TV. Le lava e sau le lotu. Tino fo le ua wanoa tat whansa. La ua mata le malolo le au moe ro. Whaftai a tō tōt whanau mo tō matua. Mana tua pēr. Whafo i vi inga man whaftai le tua. Whaftai Tamaiti. Ia ono tō anga mai tātou a o ngā sā. E ui lava na tuai mai whai a onga o sa mata i le il ta longa o mai wa te aleiva ya so ia le lava tau mai mo ia na sila 2 minutos en faita tu wa sa ya ai faftai o le lava tau mai Tamaiti o tatou tala de taia o le tala o le dirty laundry fai fatasi. Dirty. Do you have dirty laundry at home? You know what laundry is? Laundry is your clothes. You know, when you get dirty, you put it in the wash, right? Yeah. Tanga mea parpala, dirty laundry. Now, this is a story about a very young couple who bought a new house and moved next door to a family who had been there for a long time. One morning, while they were eating breakfast in the balcony, the young woman noticed the neighbor hanging up her washing outside. And she said to her husband, "Oh, the laundry doesn't look very clean, looks dirty. She doesn't know how to wash her clothes correctly. Perhaps she needs better soap powder." The husband looked at the wife and remained silent, didn't say anything. And this went on and on for almost a month. Every time the lady comes out to hang the washing, the young lady next door looking through the balcony said, "Oh, that laundry is still dirty. What's she washing her laundry with?" And then one day, she was sitting there. The lady came out hanging the washing and she goes, "Oh, she now knows how to clean her clothes. Look, the laundry looks pretty clean. I wonder what she's done differently." And the husband said to his wife, "I got up very early this morning and cleaned our windows." Tatou tala nā Tamaiti. No wala pōan ni te ao, fufurua tā whaamalama. Notice what we see, not necessarily what it is. What we see when we are watching others depends on the clarity of the window through which you are looking at. A whai ai palapala le whaamalama le titilo tue lisi o sua tangata. E palapala fo I mea mana te vai e ui a lai mama. Nā le wingo tātou tala Tamaiti. First, clean the window. Clean your window first. No winga. A palapala lo lotu. Po le alo wa ai lista ngata. E pala alo lotu o tagata nda. Ai a mamalo lotu. E mama foi lau wa ai mea lai whai lista ngata. A wai lista ngata. E whai mele lei lista ngata. Ai tai fua le lotu le whai mele lei. Why? The window is very dirty. You need to clean the window before you realize what the other person is doing. They're doing good things. Tamaiti o tatou whapenale o langa o tatou. E lema whai ona manino lau wa ai, I mea lo whai a istangata, ti ngāle lei, pe a parpalan mea lea, le wha malama o lo loto. E te tau o na wha mamā, fufuru mua le wha malama o lo loto. Ia na e wa ai ale o mea whai a istangata. Lai le lei mea lai whai a istangata, e leo parpala. E alan parpala, o I, ma I o tatou, e leo mamā. So don't be too quick to judge others. Especially if your perspective in life is clouded by anger, jealousy, negativity, when your window is all dirty, all right? Clean your window first, clean your heart, and then see others and other things in the right perspective. Judging others does not define who they are. It defines who you are. Nono winga whaia te whaamsinoina lis tangata. Ia e te leo o mena te whaamsinoina, o e lava lana, a e leo tangata lana. Whai mai Yesu, e leo pita ua Yesu na whai, mai Yesu, take the speck out of your eye before you can take the log out of your neighbor's eyes. Ave se mo mo fasila au lo mata, a te le ave se lo ngala au, la le mata o lo tua oi. That's what life is like. Make sure you have a clean heart so that when you see other people do things they're doing good, it is good. Because if you don't have a clean heart, po le ale le lei o me whaistagata, e le lei ai lauwa ai, Tamaiti, a wani whape nā tātou. Make sure that when we see what other people are doing, it's good, we appreciate it and tell them you are doing good. Okay? And that comes from a very clean heart. When we are tele o tau Tamaiti le nei vai aso, ia tātou suenga, ia ai mese fō i le wha i ua nei tau sanga. Tātou pese se lau o tsuriva, se lau o tsuriva pese tātou te pese ai.